Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to make this type of Instagram videos by using this filter. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So first open your Instagram and click on the filter option here on the top, and you just go to the search option here and type as sunset lamp. So the sunset lamp, there is a lot of filter. I just talking about the fourth filter. You can see this is the filter I just talking about. You can see the icon here, and this filter gives you this type of effect which you can use for the romantic songs or romantic reels, and to video in the place where you feel the heaven and on the outer side. This is super fantastic for the couples to get their reels with a super romantic song, and this is so exciting, and it also boosts the color of the your shots or videos and increase the quality of your reel. So you can try this filter wherever that you want. You just click on the profile of the filter and view the effect page. More than 5.5 million reels has been created using this filter. This is a particular filter which was so viral. So I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And we will meet on next video with so valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.